Okay guys, so for this portion of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I bring back to life my knotless bohemian box braids, get those curls popping again, and just look a little decent for tonight because I'm going out and it needs to look good. Things you'll need is 1, piping hot water, 2, some foaming mousse or wrapping mousse, 3, some scissors, 4, you'll need either a rag or something to collect the hot water, but I'm using a bandana, and 5, you'll need, this is the ghetto version, me using makeup wipes and rubber bands, but you really just need curling rods, small curling rods to curl the ends of the hair. So now we section our hair into however much size is easiest for you, and this portion we are curling the ends of the box braids. So any ends you see that do not look good, we're about to curl them. And here's what I do. I just rolled it on my makeup brush, as you can see. Try to keep it tight as possible because we want those curls to be small. And then I put a rubber band to secure it. But if you had the right curling rods, you would just curl the rod, the right way, and then we'll dip it in water.
My body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
So after dipping the ends in the water, these are how the curls are looking. I could have done better, but I was kind of rushing. These are the curls look, and after you do all the ends, the next thing you want to do is take your bohemian curls that come from the braid, and we're going to wrap those around and dip those in water so you can get those curly. But I did it off camera. Once I dipped the curls, you see that that's the curls. That's not the braid, that's the curls. I dipped it in water, and look how nice those curls came out. And after I separate them, you'll see that they're just popping. I do a whole bunch of curls at one time because if we do one by one, we'll be here all day. But yeah, that's how I kind of just refresh the look. Once I'm done with the entire head of all the curls, I just take mousse and I rake it throughout the entire head. Not only does it make your hair smell super good, but it keeps the curls popping and it keeps the curls from tangling with one another. I add mousse about every 2 days just so the curls won't get too crazy looking and you just have to cutting them. You know how it looks when it gets crazy, but the mousse prevents it and just keeps the hair looking a little bit more sleek. I know I have to do my edges now, so we're going to do that right after this portion, or I want to go start getting ready and then we can turn into a baddie.
Vibes on vibes, I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. 'Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. My movements, this bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your face? Bad killer, every somebody come. Don't take my energy from your body.
it's a little cute vibe we're going here. It's pretty cute, and I try to find something different. This is the last day of me having this hairstyle. I'm literally going to take it down like when I get home. So I just want to try something different before I go and take it down. But yeah, guys, love you so much. Stay tuned for what we got to go do next. Subscribe. Love you. See you in the next video.
What I like it, and she belly the right is here. Money, I don't really care. When I reach inside of the fret, say we full up one and we full up drum. Tell them woman we coming down, woman winding up with that tongue, water splashing up on the gong. The water coming up playing that. Girl, the water coming up playing that. Girl, the water say the water coming up playing that. The water coming up shade, the water coming up playing that.
Daddy one way, yeah, that them I hate that my way. Feel, tap it.
Guys, so I'm at the beach. How I ended up at the beach, I don't even know, but I was prepared. Got a drink, with friends, a speaker, have other friends in the water, and yeah, I'm vibing out right now.
You got kill me. I can't lie about this, like to lie my dick. 6 months, my name, so I can't kill my dick. Let's go.
How's the water feel? Hey guys, how's the water feel?
Amazing.
Iconic, right?
Wish I was here.
I know, they do.
Wish I was here.
Comment below if I wish I was here. Come on.
I was here.
It feels so good. It's been a nice day so far. We had a little subway. Yeah, I explored town a little bit today. Definitely catching a little tan. Crazy. And yeah, the water feels good though. But I'm scared to drop my phone. I'll give a little dip for you guys. But I don't have my...
Go ahead and drop that phone.
Girl, y'all already know. If I drop this phone, you guys have to pay. My drink though.
This is helps them, we own them, don't like over Marshall spinning on them like the wheel and them attack them, the rifle them what coming after them, and the boy
One beer, something big. Penny.
How much cheers? One more time.
Take your family out of the girl. Go out and flex it. We have no plan. Mad job, bodies, 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 mad job.
Which parish? That's what I thought. No? Okay, you have St. John, St. Mateus, and St. David. Try them. They what? They go longer, but they have more of a jab vibe though.
Service I is so I can't even search it because I don't have
It's the kind of job I don't really do. Watch it up for position and I give a back shot. It's only big people think they jump up, play no hopscotch. I give the show full day, I jump in and give them walk. It's the kind of job I don't really do and don't talk. I don't really do. Watch it up off a position and I give a back shot. It's only big people think the job don't play no hopscotch. Take out your nice, you're gripping, but it's more nice when I fit in. Everything that you're getting is the right mood where you're setting. Boy, bend down and show the camel tone on.
Boy, heavy cement drill construction. Boy, recipient, you know job look strong. Every time I tell myself I live in the yard, one shake of the lala and a back in the yard. Every time I tell myself I live in the yard, one shake of the lala and a shake that calabash, much less than she shake that bully. Much less than she shake that calabash, much less than she shake that bully. Much less than she shake that calabash, much less than she shake that bully. Much less than she shake that calabash, much less than she shake that bully. Every time I tell myself I live in the yard, one shake of the lala and a back in the yard. Every time I tell myself I live in the yard, one shake of the lala and a back in the yard. Ivy, one sip of your potion poison me, you just see Ivy. And she the regular, she a VIP. Wait.
Make your pants dry already.
So I just left the grocery store. I didn't get much. I really just needed some water. Literally all I needed was some water. So I got my water. And yeah, I'm walking through the mall now because I'm just taking a shortcut. If I walk through the mall, I'm about to get some food. But it's not in the mall. I have to walk through the mall to get the food. So yeah, I did that. Had a nice day today. Productive. I was in budget because y'all, I just been spending without looking. So I'm trying to learn how to budget. I'm adulting now. But yeah, I had a good time. So okay, guys. So we came from the beach. That was a little bit ago. Now we are somewhere else. Can you guess where we are? From what you hear in the background, where do we think we are? You got the sport. If you got the sport correct, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because you're intelligent, you're smart. I like that. We're friends. I'm supposed to be waiting for one of my friends, right? So she lives around 5 minutes from here. She went to go home and come back. But we just came here and I have my other guy friends. I'm watching them play basketball. Look at them. They over here arguing about basketball. But yeah, let me show you what the basketball court looks like.
Guys, yeah, I'm basically still on the court. My friend's taking very long to come, but I've been watching these boys play, and I'm just like, I am a basketball star. I'm a queen. I can do anything I put my mind to. So let's just try being a basketball gal. I'm actually happy I'm outside tonight. Like not past couple nights, but last night I was home and I was alone. I don't know, I wasn't really in a good mood. I don't know, I felt a little lonely. Like, I don't know if you guys felt that feeling. Like, I don't know, I'm very good at being alone. Like, I'm very good at being alone, but like last night I felt lonely, like, which is kind of rare. Not rare, but I don't know, I was trying to assess my feelings. I was like, why do I feel so lonely? I don't know. And then I just wanted to call someone, but then I don't want to call nobody. I don't know, I just felt really lonely, and I was just home, and I was like, damn, if I went out, I could probably, you know, free up my mind a little bit, but I didn't really have any, I don't know, I had nowhere to go. I don't know, so I'm glad I'm just not in the house tonight, because, yeah, we're supposed to be getting food after this. Like, I don't want food. But yeah, so look, that's the rim, right? Let me show you my basketball that I stole from the other guys. I'm taking off the bag. Okay, guys. My camera is not the cleanest, but this ball is wet, guys. And, I'm blocking. Can you see light? Okay, let's try. Okay guys, so I'm not doing too well with the close shots. Hopefully I do better with the further away shots. Let's see. Yeah, this is an exercise. This is an actual workout. I made one from the half-point line, and now I just gotta try a 3-point line. Let's see how that goes. I'm already hungry. This shit got me hungry. Big basketball star. Yeah, I saw that. I made that one. Yeah, I need a break. I'm tired. It's been a freaking workout. That was fun. Jesus. That was fun. I want to take a little thumbnail, but I don't think I'll be able to. Y'all, my pretty friend came, and we were just here talking. The bench is wet because it was raining before I got here, but yeah, I'm hungry. We're not getting food no more. I thought we was getting food. We're not getting food no more. I gotta wait home to eat. Yeah, too. But yeah. Okay, guys. I'm back. My friend came. Say hi. And then look, be careful.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your